My name's Aga Tompkins. Thanks for swinging by my channel. This video is all about Christmas, the shirt, everything. Hope you enjoy it. Have fun. Bye. Merry Christmas! I am so glad you guys came here today to see what's going on this Christmas day or whatever holiday you celebrate. I just had to post today. Come on, let's be real. It was just gonna happen. So I decided to do my last holiday Christmas look to match my shirt, cause yeah, look at this thing. It's fabulous. Thrifting pays off once again. Check out how I made this happen. All right, so I'm gonna start with this E5. It's like a reddish burgundy. Just use a fluffy brush, and that's going to be like the top portion of your smoked out eye. Now just use a blending brush and blend it out a little bit. And now I'm going to use a packing brush and get some of this D5, and it's the black color out of this Norvina palette. It's the volume 1. And that's going to go into the corner here and up to your crease. Now you're going to take a smaller blending brush and blend this together. Hope you guys love my festive shirt. I figured I would go all out. And I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I love thrifting. It's like something that I do. Most of my clothes is thrifted. It's just something that makes me happy. I honestly feel like I end up finding way cooler stuff, and it's stuff that nobody else has. Like, who owns this shirt? Nobody. I find really unique old stuff that's like really good fabrics, and it's just awesome things. So I'm just saying, if you're somebody that doesn't thrift and you've been thinking about it, you should definitely go do it. It's a lot of work, it takes time, but at the same time, like now I'm at this point where I can look on a rack of jeans and I know which ones are good quality just by like the side of it. Now I'm gonna do the underneath. I'm gonna use that same red with a smaller brush. And if you get a lot of fallout, don't worry. You can always wipe it off and then like redo your concealer and just like redo that section of your face. It's not a big deal. And I'm gonna kind of pack on that red just around the edges of this smoked out eye. As you can see, the underneath adds so much. It like is such a big difference. I just had one of my friends tell me that she would have never been doing like under eyes, but she's gonna try it. It's just like not something she's done, and I think all of you should try it. It opens up your eyes and makes such a big difference. And I know a lot of people think it'll age you, but it won't. Don't think it will. It won't. Just do it. Have fun with your makeup. Now I'm gonna take the C1, the white, and just put that underneath my brow here. I'm taking another clean blending brush and just blending up. Remember that blending is everything. Like, if you're not blending, it's not going to look right. I'm kind of dragging the red out. I really wish I did all this stuff when I was younger and had youthful skin. I'm pushing 40, just so you guys know. So it's definitely one of those things where it's like, I know I started a little bit late on this YouTube game, but I was busy living life, but better late than never, I guess. I'm gonna put a little bit of the black in the corner down at the bottom, but not all the way forward, just like right in the corner. I have like poofy brows over here, so the lighting makes it seem like it's not blended, but just so you know, it is. It's just, I don't know why I have like these parts of my eyebrows, or like here, this bone, it sticks out a little bit. So even in pictures, it's hard for me to get a good shot because my eye shape is like that. I don't know why. I was born this way. But I just deal with it and live with it, and it is what it is. See, it does it there. It's so funny. I always see it in videos and I'm like, what am I gonna do? I feel like in person it's not as bad because people can see the dimension of my face, but on videos it just looks like I missed a spot or something. Now I'm going to use this NYX. It's called Steal Your Man. Don't steal nobody's man, people. Don't be stealing people's man, even though this eyeshadow is called that. Foil Play Cream Eyeshadow, and it is, these are awesome. They're really like dewy feeling though, so if you don't like that, don't do it. These little pots last forever and they're super inexpensive. I swear I've had this one for so long. They're really fun additions to your center because they're so sparkly and really reflect light really well. So I love them. And I'm gonna do a little in the center here. Now I'm gonna use the C2, which is like the shimmery golden color, and I'm gonna add that onto the top of that NYX foil because it's gonna set it. Especially like where my liner is gonna go, because I don't want my liner to go over that dewy consistency. And I'm gonna do the same underneath. And I'm gonna add a little over this. And now I'm gonna use my Lemonhead LA Gold Glitter. I don't actually know the name of it because the little sticker that says the name came off, but it's like the gold is gold. Like, freaking found the pot of gold, man. I'm gonna add that to the corner here, in the center here. I know, it's a lot of gold, but it's Christmas. We wanna be festive. I hope you guys are enjoying your Christmas. I had to do a video for you guys on Christmas, cause how could I not? And I'm adding it to the bottom as well. We're going in. Listen, if I'm gonna be gaudy and wear this shirt, then we're going all the way and my makeup's gonna match. It'll all tie together once I do my liner and lashes and all that. I know it looks a little crazy right now. All right, I'm gonna do the liner, lashes, and I'll be right back. So here it is with lashes and liner, and I'm going to add this cream gel liner from ColourPop in the color Joyride just to my waterline to give it a little pop of red and tie in the top red stuff with my waterline. Plus my brown eyes actually have like reds in them. So when I add red to my eyes, it really makes that red pop in my eye. Which I like, cause you know, brown eyes are boring, but they don't have to be. Boom. Yeah, so that, I'm gonna add a lip. I like it because it's neutral, and since my eyes are wild right now, we don't need all that. I'm the sloppiest lipstick applier ever on myself because I don't care. I just don't care. I usually wear chapstick. So here's the final look. Also, I think I said this in my other video, but since it's Christmas, I'm gonna remind you guys my nails are totally representing, not on purpose. If you watch my nail video, which is gonna post actually on Sunday, that's another announcement, is I will be posting videos every Sunday at noon, so you guys can like expect them then. So I'm gonna be on a schedule, and then I'm gonna be posting maybe if I have extra videos like in the week. So we'll see what happens. I'm for sure sticking with Sunday, so you guys can look forward to boring Sunday sitting and you can watch me be weird on the internet, on your phone, on your TV. I don't know where you look, but if you're watching me, thank you so much. It means the world to me, and that's why I had to see you guys on Christmas. And I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday, whether you celebrate Christmas or any other holidays. I hope you enjoy this time with your family. I know it's been a weird year and it's been really hard for a lot of people. And I think, you know, for me personally, I'm just looking at my blessings. Like, as much as it is hard, there's like bonuses to my life with this situation where I got to be home with my kids. I've been touring since my children were little bitty, and I was gonna be gone all year on tour. Being able to spend this time with all my kids has been, and my husband, because we got married in 2020, has been just wonderful. So I'm looking at all the positives. I hope you guys find the best parts of this year and focus on those, and I hope to see you back in the next video. The next one is the nail video, these guys, so get excited. And I talk about beauty school. I don't know, it's a long one, so prepare yourselves. All right, bye guys.